about 50 years ago, two doctors, Dr. Sprague and Dr. Rappaport, came together to design a new stethoscope, which became known as the Sprague Rappaport Stethoscope. It's been through a lot of changes over the years, however. It's still very easily identifiable by its dual tubing output and its convertible chest piece. This makes it really popular with doctors and nurses and veterinarians, as well as educational institutions for their students, primarily because of its flexibility and its ability to act as 5 stethoscopes in a single instrument. In today's market, you'll find many different types of Sprague-style stethoscopes. Unfortunately, most of these are actually reproductions. So the original Sprague Rappaport Stethoscope was manufactured by one company and then later sold to another and changed hands and ownership many different times until finally, I believe it was in 2005, the final manufacturer discontinued the original Sprague Rappaport model. When we first looked into crafting a Sprague Rappaport style stethoscope, we wanted to make something that was worthy of the reputation and tradition of the original Sprague Rappaport stethoscope. But what we were more excited about was the opportunity to take something that once was great and revitalize it, revamp it in our own way. So we didn't want to copy the original, we just wanted to make it better. How do you take something that is time-proven and really make it better? Well, at MDF, that's something that we thrive upon. We never produce a new product without putting into it the innovative and creative features that MDF is really known for. So when we looked into making a Sprague-type stethoscope, we really did our research, and we spoke to Sprague enthusiasts and found out what they believed the weaknesses were in the original Sprague Rappaport style stethoscope. We then took our proprietary and patented components and put them into our version of the classic Sprague Rappaport style stethoscope, the MDF 767. And then, being MDF, we had to take innovation a step further with the MDF 767X, which is the Deluxe Sprague Rappaport Stethoscope. While it's still a close cousin of the original, the MDF 767X is really the new generation of Sprague Rappaport style stethoscopes. So here's what we did. The original Sprague style stethoscope did not have a comfortable headset, so we went ahead and added our own AccuFit headset with our safety lock and comfort seal ear tips to allow for that more individual, ergonomic, customizable fit. Then we addressed the issues with the durability and the tubing in the original models, and we incorporated our non-stick, crack-resistant tubing, as well as made the overall length of the stethoscope longer. This allowed for more practitioner comfort and kind of a personal space. Lastly, the original Sprague did not include a complete set of attachments on the chest piece, and we didn't see any reason not to include that, so we went ahead and included all bells and diaphragms for adults, pediatrics, and neonatal care, which allows for a complete set of coverage in any medical setting, no matter what the situation. MDF tradition really implores us to take innovation a step further. And the biggest complaint that we'd heard when we were looking into the original Sprague Rappaport stethoscope was the acoustical interference created by those dual tubing rubbing together. And so we went ahead and created the MDF 767X. And while it incorporates all of the original patents and proprietary designs of the MDF 767, the MDF Deluxe Sprague Rappaport 767X takes that dual tubing and encases it within a single casing, eliminating that acoustical interference of the tubes rubbing together. And this really allows us to solve the problem of the Sprague style stethoscopes. The MDF 767 and 767X are really fantastic options for both students and medical professionals who are looking for a really flexible instrument. The convertible attachments makes it ideal for veterinarians because it enables them to work on a full spectrum of animals, essentially from a bird all the way up to a horse with a single instrument. Like all MDF instrument stethoscopes, the MDF 767 and the 767X are handcrafted and come with a jewelry grade finish. They also come with a lifetime warranty that covers tubing as well as free parts for life. The MDF 767 and 767X are just another example of how we value tradition and innovation to create superior products for the modern medical professional.